Here is the Mars Wave analog signal sampling and reconstruction kit. In this kit, we have sampling frequency selection circuit, where we have the option 10 kHz to 320 kHz. Here is the duty cycle control circuit. Here is the sampling circuit, and for the recover the analog signal, we have second low order pass filter and fourth order low pass filter. Here is the main on off switch. Here we have the option internal or external signal we have. Now I have put this internal, so I will choose the signal for the sampling, internal signal 1 kHz. Power on off switch. Here is the thumb wheel switch to change the duty cycle, and here is the push to on switch to change the sampling frequency. Here is the 1 kHz for the signal input. Ground. Here we can see the output of 1 kHz. Here I have used CRO as a optional accessory. Here we have the 1 kHz signal. And the sampling frequency. Here we get on the CRO. By pushing the selection switch, you can see clearly on the CRO the sampling frequency is changed. And here is effect of the duty cycle using thumb wheel switch. On CRO you can see it clearly. Apply the signal over here, sampling frequency over here to duty cycle, then here is the sampling circuit. Here we have got the sample output. Change the frequency and observe the output over here. Change the duty cycle and you can see clearly there is the difference of the duty cycle on sampling frequency, and here is the sample and hold. Now I will tell you what is the effect of the second order low pass filter and fourth order low pass filter. Here we give the sample output to the second order low pass filter, then output is like that. When the sampling frequency is the 20 kHz, we can improve the output, whether increase the sampling frequency or we can choose the fourth order low pass filter. Now apply the signal frequency, I will increase the sampling frequency. Now output is better, at more frequency, more better, then you can see it clearly. Here distortion, then here. Now it is the effect of the frequency. Now the same sampling frequency, it is the output on the fourth low pass filter. It is better than the second order low pass filter at the same frequency. is the input, here is the output of the second low pass filter, and here we get the, and it is better on the higher frequency. So fourth order low pass filter is also used for the better reconstructions. Hence we can see how to sampling circuit work and how to get the recover the data with second order low pass filter and fourth order low pass.